so slow. A tickle in your nose that needs to blow. Trying hard not to let it show. You try to hold it in with every fiber in your lungs. Eyes are watering, you gasp for air. Kinda makes you wanna cry, but you won't let the stage fly. You hold it in, you won't let it go. Repressing a sneeze could cause you a stroke.